Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning 3 cookie sheets that are very used and abused. You can see here that there are just wear and tear marks on this large one. This middle one is very used and this is our newest pan, a couple years old, and it is not so bad. So the backs of these two don't really have many marks, but this big one right here, I'm going to be tackling the back of that one as well as the front of all 3 of these. So I want to do a little thing so that you guys can see just how well this works. So I'm going to be cutting the pan sheets in half. They're also known as cookie sheets, pan sheets, cookie sheets. I'm going to be spraying the product, which is easy off. It is so simple and so easy. Shake it up, spray it around, and let it sit. So while I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys that I did take all the proper safety precautions for ventilation. I had my windows open as well as the fan vent that is on my stove, and I made sure that I did this after hours when my kids were in bed. So make sure, guys, that you take these same safety precautions because this is a chemical spray. So just be safe. This is gonna sit for 15 minutes, and after the 15 minutes, this is what I was looking at. It was very bubbly. It looked kind of gross. You could see some stuff lifting off of it. The smallest one here didn't really have much on it. Now, there's not much gunk that stuck to it. I don't even want to say stuck to it, but there wasn't much decoloration. But I'm gonna take these pans over to the sink and start scrubbing them. And what I'm going to be using is just a simple SOS pad with some water and giving it a really good scrub. And while I'm doing this, why don't you guys let me know in the comments below, what are some tips and tricks that you guys use for cleaning your pan sheets, also known as cookie sheets. I have used dryer sheets, which work so well, super well, so make sure you use some dryer sheets if you're ever stuck and you don't have any SOS pads. But I use dryer sheets. I've used some baking soda before, so let me know if you have any other suggestions in the comments below, because I would love to give them a try and see how they work. This middle one, it was doing just as well as the previous one did, if not better, because it had double the time. This last one though, I don't really have much hope in it. It was bubbling a lot, but like I said, there wasn't that much decoloration, so I wasn't too sure, but it's time to get these pans washed. So I want to tell you guys that after you are done using the on it. It cleaned up, however, very nice. This is the oldest pan we have, probably about 15 years old. But look at the back of this one. What a great job it did on this, especially in all the sides, the nooks and crannies. Did you guys see how gross that water is? Like, ooh, lots came off of there and they look phenomenal. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below all of your tips and tricks to cleaning your pan sheets, aka cookie sheets, and I'll see you guys next time.